Banana spa.
I heard they have really good service here.
All right, so let's keep
So
image.
if your banana needs some spa, come to Banana Spa. No shortage of commercial real estate. This is the refugee camp. Temporary shelters.
Big stuff up. Taken. A doggo. Nice
Where'd
mask,
you
bro.
get that mask? The mask. Terbaik. It's the best.
Yo, what's up?
Time for a road trip.
Alright, we're gonna have a road trip, night road trip in Seminyak. This is Gaston.
I'm back.
This is
Baby's
Cisco,
back.
Archie,
My baby Archie. Hey.
and Winnie if you don't know them. Alright, let's go.
Let's go run.
Let's go.
My dog here. This dog is a survivor. She's been on our gang. Oh, I don't know how many.
The dog is here. Okay, and this is Pico, world famous.
Pico, best carrot cake in all of Bali.
And this is the red rapi.
This is Red Ruby,
Alila.
Mississippi.
Mississippi.
Close and start a pandemic. Nobody wants to swim in a big pool together.
Billboard
That's a-
for rent. And
Everybody's on the Bakso economy. That's my Bakso guy here.
here- Your Baxo guy here?
Yeah.
Yeah, what's up?
Let's see if it's open.
Is it open?
Oh,
or closed?
I need some money.
All right, but it's open, so it's a good
Hold
sign.
on, Pat. Just turn around. Oh, yeah. Hey, best bonjar in all of Bali. Number one.
Big stuff up. Taken. A doggo.
So this is Petty Tingit Beach parking lot. Doesn't get more exciting than this. My favorite place for breakfast.
Where?
La Luciola to your left.
Oh, is it
has
open?
La Luciola to my left. The best Italian restaurant in all of the west coast of Bali. Been closed since the start of the pandemic.
That's big
When they
tragic.
reopen, I recommend them for breakfast.
And we will
Everybody
probably
comes for sunset, but breakfast is the play at La Luciola.
and probably we're gonna make a vlog, but nobody know when it's gonna be open again.
Nobody
Unfortunately.
So there's a big ballet for the bonjar here.
Yo, what's up, buddy? You don't wanna look at me. I just wanna. Also, we're gonna show this lovely banjar, guys.
Sayonara!
What's going on here?
We're gonna do a loop. I'll show you the loop, but for now we go up this street. Coming up is Mexicola.
Mexicola, famous place, Mexico.
Heroically opened briefly during the summer. Right to your left, Mexicola.
Mexicola,
Sadly, still closed.
sadly closed.
Fantastic place. Everybody always happy there.
Fantastic place.
Come back soon, Mexicola. On the left side, a restaurant called Grilled opened just before the pandemic.
And
I
is
believe Australian owned, hasn't opened since, unfortunately.
unfortunately.
This is Bikini Restaurant. Many people know this place. Many people with a lot of money love to dine here in the past.
all right.
My personal local favorite was always Sister Fields.
Sister
It was
Fields.
always hard to get a table.
Yo, what's up?
Say hi.
All right.
Boss Man Burger still going pretty strong.
Still
strong.
Still strong.
To your left is Seminyak Village.
Seminyak Mall is so dark, so maybe you doesn't realize.
Apocalypse in there.
Like,
You don't want to go in that mall. It's like when you run in the mall with the zombies outside. That's the mall, sadly to say.
all right. So we are in the
Let's go
Seminyak
see.
Center
Oh, they
now.
let me go in here. This is Seminyak Square.
Seminyak Square. As you see.
Another famous place. I haven't been here probably in a year and a half because nothing's open.
Over here
Adrenaline used to be upstairs.
is so dark. And of course the wine shop is
Thank
called.
God, that's new.
Thanks
That's
God.
new. Thank God, everybody's become alcoholic during the pandemic. Thank God alcohol is expensive or else I'd have a problem. All right. this Starbucks.
Starbucks, always open.
I'm gonna say one thing.
Yes, bro.
American as I am, support local. Buy local Indonesian coffee from local Indonesian coffee shops. Starbucks use too much plastic. This used to be Hank's. It's still Hank's, I think. This one abandoned. I call this the Dr. Seuss house.
Dr. what?
Dr. Seuss.
Alright.
Anybody that's seen the Lorax knows it's the Lorax house. I haven't been in this place
Alright, so we're
probably ever.
we're
Lock the doors.
lock the doors, guys.
Lock the doors. This is where warriors come out to play.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, but
But I think
if you need parking, we now know.
good place for parking, but I don't see any more attractions
Again,
around.
all you people that want to come over here and open your little shops,
Oh,
The
jeez. Only
small
4 of us here.
business of your dream, now is the time to come to Bali. No shortage of commercial real estate. This is the refugee camp, temporary shelters before the military pulled out.
Okay, guys. I just want to say I'm so glad as we have very safe car today to exploring
we
this
have a
area
car
of the,
so reliable.
and we have a guard dogs at the back, so
Problem.
no problem.
And now we're approaching Coup d'etat, one of my favorites. Another fantastic place for breakfast.
Kudeta?
Yeah,
For
all the
breakfast?
people come party at Coup d'etat for sunset.
But you coming
Another
for breakfast?
plug, hold on. Oberoi.
The Oberoi, one of the oldest hotel in
The stones
Seminyak.
were here. Who knows, but one of the best. And off to your left is a very quiet
Kudeta, and
Coup d'etat.
normally it's such
Even
a
the security has left.
not even security. And guys, it's just 7 o'clock. It's not even midnight or
It's
something.
Pretty
It's just
scary.
yo, what's up?
Jesus.
Jesus.
Bullies can't drive.
All right, so this is the junction place. Yo, what's up?
Hey, junction people. Hold on, don't forget Mr. Corn.
Okay,
Anybody
yeah,
else?
Mr. Corn.
Mr. Corn.
Yo, be careful, bro. How you drive? Holy shit! Somebody has a Porsche here also,
way.
but our car is better, much
Way
better.
better.
Way better, bro.
Anybody's daddy could buy them a Porsche.
Exactly.
Come on. Now, this is one of the good Greek restaurants. Seen better times.
Better
Definitely
times.
seen better times.
Italian job is closed.
Italian job.
Yo.
Hey! Italian job. And then the world famous, Bali famous groomers.
Rumors, yeah. Unfortunately,
Everybody,
closed.
look at your mask.
nice
Where'd
mask,
you
bro.
get that mask? The mask. Terbaik. It's the best. The money you buy that thing.
LG.
LG.
LG, is it easy to talk in that mask?
Okay, take care of it.
So hold on, we're now passing Viagra, Cialis Center. If you need any special pharmaceuticals, that's the place. All these places closed.
All is closed. So
Magic.
magic.
Beautiful place. Char
Char Char, very
one of my
famous
old
place.
favorites. I loved it. Used to wave at all the people in there. They'd all wave back. Closed. Famous place called Blow Bar.
Yeah. The
Not what you're thinking. It's for blowouts, but
All right.
closed. Closed for good.
Approaching.
Let's go to La Favela tonight.
Let's have a
Party
party in La
time.
Favela.
Let me see if I can find parking.
Yeah, look for Vale.
Let's look for parking. Where's valet parking?
We should have a park at the front of the gate with this car.
La Favela.
La Favela.
Here's
Here.
not open.
It's so
Let's
dark.
go red carpet it.
Okay.
Carpet.
Coco. Red carpet is closed, guys.
Yo.
What's the
Malami,
big?
guys. Come
Yo!
back. We want red carpet. The famous Mabuk scooter. When you're too drunk to go home, they take you home. That's customer service.
That's the customer
Everybody
service.
needs teeth whitening. There's like 20 of these in Bali. What's going on Corner House? I thought Corner House was open tonight.
Corner house is closed.
Corner House Buka.
We make a vlog over here once.
Alright.
But Seems like it's all
Alright.
only memory.
This store on the right, I highly recommend. You need some electronic gizmo, some tripod, battery, whatever. That's the place.
That's the place.
This is my pharmacy.
Which
Dr. IU in here is my favorite.
we're gonna
Chantik dan pintar.
we're gonna
Give
visit.
me any medicine I need, I just say, mau ini, okay, boleh. So good.
So good.
So big. It's so big.
So big.
So big.
Alright guys, and now we are heading back to the Sunset Road, and this is the skill of driving by classic car. Everybody have to respect you.
Stop, I have the flag on the front.
Exactly, we have Indonesian flag somewhere there.
This thing. Electrical cords.
Okay, where are we heading now?
Now we're passing the world famous, are you ready? Shampoo Lounge and Bali Barber on the second floor. That is the place to go if you need a proper men's haircut and the ladies need any service. Unfortunately, beautiful mural blocked by that ugly, discarded, ugly advertisement. This used to be Pak Balin, the most well-known Bobby Guling place on the island, but they moved. Now it's just an angry dog. Coming up though, on your left, look at that mural. Look at that beautiful mural.
Oh, look at that.
This one is Doppio Cafe. Great place for breakfast and lunch. Fantastic.
We are
now
heading
turning
into
down to the Agora.
that's the very famous
Some
street.
politically incorrect people might call this Gay Street. But not me. I just heard it called that. But this is a very quiet street nowadays.
But used to be very busy.
Very
street.
busy, the most fun street. There's a nice looking dog.
Hello.
Not a friendly girl, but the dog was fantastic.
Alright.
Let's go see.
And that's the only Gojek.
Oh,
This is Mixwell and Bali Joe.
Sorry guys.
No party tonight.
No party for a long time.
Lucky day. Hello. I made a vlog in Lucky Day about a month ago, so you can Google about that. I mean, not Google, just
Up on YouTube.
search on my YouTube Lucky Day. So what we have here?
So this is, I just noticed this today on my walk. It's
Yes?
German food.
German food.
This is calling me and my Polish friend, I think. We're gonna come here for sausage.
Or sausage.
But the menu looked good. I just noticed it this morning. To show you a spot that many men frequent. Not
Alright.
myself, but it's on our left.
Alright.
The world famous Banana Spa.
Banana
I
spa.
heard they have really good service here.
Alright, so let's keep
So
image.
if your banana needs some spa, come to Banana Spa.
You have the name of
Man,
the
I
spa.
could do their marketing.
And
They need to give me, I just made their slogan.
this is not paid endorsement, you can switch on your imagination. Meanwhile, I'm gonna talk few words about this lovely car. We have a LID system,
Yeah.
we have a CCTV,
This way I can see. Oh, and we have rear.
we have a compass, because that's very important in Bali, you have to have a
Hold
compass
on,
in
I
the
forgot
car.
to watch, because when you don't watch, what happens?
What's going on?
You killed the guy with the kite. You gotta watch the road.
Okay.
In Bali,
Rule number one, always watch
always
the road.
watch the road. Driving a 1974 Volkswagen Safari, as it's known in Indonesia. In other parts of the world, it's known as a Volkswagen thing. And I think it has a fuel leak. So that's kind of a problem.
Alright, we have a problem.
Otherwise, we all will push the car then.
We're not gonna push the car. Alright, so if you are
Oh,
interested,
I love this gas station.
the best gas station
Best
in Bali.
gas in Bali. All you cheap bules, make sure you tip the gas guy. Don't pretend, oh, we don't tip in my country. Tip the gas guy. How'd you like to be out here in the heat, pumping gas all day long? Tip the nice gas guy. Unless he like makes it right up to 100, then you don't have any extra money, say keep the change.
Alright, here we go. Ah! What the? Always watch the road, bro.
That wasn't me, that's
Oh,
Maria.
we're gonna pass it fit.
Anybody that's had late nights knows pit stop on your left.
Long
Good.
time ago, very famous
Yeah.
place.
And Mi 88 is always a good standby.
Somebody asked me to go to Mi 88 one
Yes.
day. We're gonna try it.
Warung Europa on your right side.
Warung Europa.
Best Indonesian foods, best stock. I love Warung Europa.
And here
Ling
is
Ling's is coming back. The Forge
the fort.
coming back.
And this
Shooters back online. All right, so Bali bangkit. Bali bouncing back.
Bali is bouncing back.
This is how our night safari ride. And Archie at the back with me.
Alright guys,
What a night.
what a night. A lot of emotions.
I'm going to summarize. It seems like Bali is bouncing back slowly.
Slowly.
And I'm going to summarize, if you've been thinking about moving to Bali, starting that dream business, there's no shortage of shops and commercial real estate to move into.
With this message, see you tomorrow guys. Take care.
Yeah.